Will we get that first take on the live mackerel? Oh, this is so exciting, so exciting. It went? That was a take though.
Yeah, I know.
There was no fish on the spot. We stopped first, so we've moved the spot. There is a float there with a sandil. That's still kicking. And I've also have a lure brought out. And that's a fish on. Probably isn't bass. It's staying deep. Hello, Mr. Pollock. On a sandy and weedless. Heavier head, few jigs. Off you go. Fish on. Now we have mid-November, but with this lovely, lovely weather, no one else on the water pretty much. Fantastic day. That's another fish. I've lost that one in the stack, and as I was reeling in, I got another one. That's a bit nicer pollock, this one. The sun is setting out in the sea. There's Andy there on a fantastic SeaDoo fishing machine. And we have a sunset bass. Not over here. It's